this, Philip?
It is travel of distance from a plane. Distance travel is 8 times number of minutes, or D equals 8 times
What can you
T.
tell by this? You can say in 1 minute.
In 1 minute, there was 8 miles traveled.
Okay, so start tapping to show what you animated. It'll keep going. You got the cap off too long, and when you do that, you have to get that cap off.
Your cap was just closed.
There you go. You have some numbers that fly in?
Yes.
There we go. So where do those numbers come from?
So you do 10 times 80.
This looks great, except 8 times 8 is 64. That's
Oh.
kind of an issue, right? Everything else looks good.
Yeah.
And those dots go along with the answer. Okay. What is this, Erin?
This is the distance the Earth travels around the sun.
Okay. Explain what that is.
993,000.
Start again.
93 million miles is the radius. And then you just do 93 million.
What is that number that you're about to get?
93 million.
The radius and the radius is the whole arm.
Circumference?
No, that's the whole circle.
Oh.
The line that goes straight across the circle.
Diameter?
Yep.
Diameter.
Diameter.
Then we're going to get the diameter, which is 1,086 million.
Again. 186 million.
186 million. The diameter is 186 million miles. Now you take 186 million times 3.14, which is pi.
Okay. So what is 584 million? It's all the way around the sun, our orbit around the sun. What's that called?
The circumference. And the answer is 584 million.
Okay. Did you have a circle that pops up?
I deleted
Keep
that.
going, I love this.
Which equals 584 million miles. 584 miles divided by 365, that's the days of the year, as 1,600,000. 600. That is how much it travels in one day. When we do 600,000 by 24, it equals about 66,000.
66,000 miles per hour.
Okay.
Okay. Keep going.
We're just taking the fractions, turning into a decimal and a percent. So each one, we have some fractions, some decimal, and some percentage. So 3/5 equals 0.60 and 60%.
How do you know that?
Because
remember what you did with the fractions? You turned them into fractions from the decimal of. That was when we multiplied or divided. Okay, 3/5. You turned it into something hundredths, remember?
Oh, yeah.
What's 500?
It'd be 60 hundredths. It'd be 60 over 100. You guys remember that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 1/4 would equal 25, because if you're taking quarters, think of it like money. 4 quarters equals 100, but if you have 1 quarter, it's 25.
Okay, keep going.
And this is 50 out of 100, because that's 50%, and you're taking 50 out of 100. You cut 0.50, and then turning it into 50%. 7/10 equals to 70, because
You just add 0 to that.
yeah, pretty much.
Go to the next slide. That was really good. Oh, I loved how you did that.
I did that.
You did
5
that?
times 20 equals 100. 3 times 20 equals 60.
That was really good. Okay, this is a great.
This one is Alexis's PowerPoint, but she isn't feeling good.
Okay. Poor Rapunzel. The king locked her in the tower for so long, her hair grew and grew. At last, the king had decided if someone could cut her hair just 2 feet, that should say 3 feet.
3 feet.
But we'll ignore that. And not an inch shorter, she will let her out of the tower. I love how you guys did
Tap.
this. Okay, start tapping.
So we color coded it. So
First
so
night, kids came and cut a 4.
that's 4. That's 24, and
So
that's
the
up
green
there.
goes together. Good job.
The green goes together,
The
and then
purple goes
the pinkish purple goes together.
with the 12 and the
Uh-huh.
1 half.
It's a half.
The light blue goes with the
The
third.
third of the pirates.
And the red goes with the
Red
red.
over here.
And
Then there's a line.
there's a line.
You have to tap a few times.
Okay, that still work. Keep going. Tap again.
It's
What's this one about?
So 20. Oh, it's a factor rainbow.
Oh, okay.
So 24.
The factors of 24.
12 and 2 equals 24. 3 and 8 equals 24. 4 and I think 6, yeah. Oof. And 6, 4. Yeah.
Keep going. I like it. Oh, I love this one.
this is mine.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 in the hundreds place, which is right here. And then 5 in the 10,000s place, which is right there. It's a bit off. And then 7 in the millions, 6 in the 100 millions, and 3 in all the other places. That 3 goes way down.
Yeah.
And they lined up pretty easy. That was beautiful.
It's okay. I don't think I got all these 3s in. Well, no, the 5 goes there. Okay.
This one do anything?
Yes.
I think so, yeah. No matter put these in a plate. The way I figured out this problem was to see how many each cookies there is. The orange cookie is 1, the striped cookie has 3, the chocolate chip cookie is 2, and the chocolate one is 1. So most of each one is striped ones.
You have to read the question.
So, which kind of cookie would Tim most likely take without looking?
The striped one's right
It's
here.
3
My
sevens,
finger.
right?
Yeah.
There we
Which
go.
is B.
Keep going. Oh, this is an easy one. You just have to figure this one out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There's just kind of sample items.
Which of the following bar graphs could be used to represent the data from the circle graph?
Okay. So
Tap.
there is
No.
50%.
So that's the answer right there because there's a bit right here and a lot
the
right
only one
here and 2 small ones which are about equal. The only one that makes sense is
The D.
D because all the lines and height represent the circle graph. The only one makes sense and that's number 5.
Nice. Oh, that was a good one.
Okay.
Which of these are congruent?
Which of these are congruent? Okay. This one be congruent. If you turn it, it is the exact same line as N. So you can take away all of these. These are the 2 congruent ones, N and R. Congruent means identical twins, so like Zach and Cody or something.
Same size, same shape.
Yeah. Congruent.
Okay, what does similar mean?
Similar means they look the same, but they aren't the same. They're like they're the same shape,
not the same size.
which is whatever. Okay.
What happens on this one?
Okay. This is just the key.
Did you fix this one?
Yeah, I fixed it. What? Okay, so first what we had to find out is 1 block was as much as how many marbles. But these aren't marbles, they're balls. So 1 marble equals 5, 1 ball equals 5 marbles, so that answers 5. And then replace, and then 1 block was as much as 2, so take away a block and 2 of them, and
So
then
that means
these
it
2 equal 5 each, so that'd be 10, and that's your answer.
That was perfect. Keep going. Quickie.
Okay.
Oh,
The moon travels about 2,000 miles per hour.
Circle.
Circle.
240 miles.
Say it again.
240,000 miles
Is the what?
is the not the diameter, the what's it called? Radius.
Yes.
Which the space shuttle travels for 12 hours, and the moon will travel 2,000 times 12 hours equals 24,000 miles.
Which means by the time the space shuttle got where it's going, the moon should have traveled 24,000 miles.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I think this is mine.
Yeah. Click.
What are you trying to find?
We are trying to find on the back. That's not it. Philip, click.
Let's say measure of angle G. You already
Yeah.
know what that is.
90 degrees, of course.
90 degrees, and
Right
then,
angle.
so there that is.
That would be
and then that's
135 and
135.
Why are those 135?
because
Philip, click. It'll show a circle of how it works. 135. 135. 90. Click. That didn't work.
Oh.
Well, there's a circle, and it shows all. Cause like,
The back button on top.
okay.
There's no circle
You see,
that comes in.
well, there was supposed to be a circle.
there's supposed to be a circle that would come in about
Uh-huh.
at the run 30 mark,
Uh huh.
135 by H, and go around to the 135 at the I.
Uh-huh.
Let's go on to the next one.
Uh.
Did you guys really do this one?
I think so. Amy scored 7 spelling tests on her below. 81, 78, 80, 96, 92, and 92, 90. To figure out this problem, to get in the answer, is find the range of the biggest number. There are there and the smallest numbers there. 78. Whose is this?
I don't know. What is this? What was the number?
It showed it was 8.
We need to backspace it.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's hit escape.
Whew.